Stranger on the Gaza Road, based on the book of Acts chapter 8, verses 1 through 4 and 26 through 40.
Many attacks break out against believers in Jerusalem. Over the next few weeks, thousands of Jesus' followers flee the city, moving throughout Judea and Samaria and taking God's good news with them. The Jewish leaders have unintentionally helped to spread the gospel. Philip goes north to Samaria. One night, an angel tells Philip, "Go down toward Gaza." Philip quickly obeys.
God has sent me all this way to meet the person in that chariot. Who could he be?
At that moment, God's Spirit tells Philip to stay close to the chariot. So he does. He hears a man reading from the Scriptures.
He was led like a sheep to be killed.
Do you understand what the prophet Isaiah is saying?
The man is an important official from Ethiopia, treasurer to the queen.
How can I, unless someone explains it to me? Do you know? Is the prophet talking about himself or someone else?
He's talking about Jesus Christ, the Son of God. His enemies crucified him, but God raised him from the dead.
As they ride along, Philip explains that God loved the world so much that he sent his son Jesus to die for our sins. Whoever trusts in Jesus will live forever with God.
I believe in Jesus, and I'm sorry for everything I've done wrong. Why shouldn't I be baptized right here and become a follower of Jesus?
I'm sure that's what God sent me to do.
So Philip baptizes the man from Ethiopia. Immediately afterward, the Spirit of the Lord whisks Philip away. He finds himself in the north, where he preaches in towns along the rim of the Mediterranean Sea. Eventually, he settles down in Caesarea, the Roman capital of Palestine.